Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Morell with Tommy Williams Homes. We are debuting another new floor plan called the Langston. Come take a look with me. Off the foyer we have two guest bedrooms that share a bathroom. The bathroom also has a linen closet. This space that I'm standing in is traditionally a study. The homeowners that built this home wanted it nice and wide open, so we took down some walls. But traditionally, you'd have a wall with some French doors here out to the great room side. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a study, 1764 square feet, and the starting price is $324,400. Here in our great room, we have an amazing feature. It is double pocketing sliding glass doors. So you'll notice that all I have to do is slide these over, and we have a really big, great, entertaining space out to the lanai. Dining room is here, and obviously a beautifully furnished kitchen with a gas range, backsplash, and in this case, the homeowners added a refrigerator. Down the hallway towards the garage is the pantry as well as the laundry room. It's the only pantry plan that has a window in it. How exciting is that? And here in the laundry room, homeowners have added a mud bench along with some additional shelving. So it's a great, nice stop and drop. And behind me would be access to the garage. So we're going to turn around and go back through the great room and take a look at the owner's suite. These are standard windows in the owner's suite, so it's a very bright, airy floor plan. In here is double closets, a walk-in shower, and a private toilet room. And this home does come standard with a skylight. What a tremendous feature for this floor plan. So thank you so much for touring the Langston with me. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a study. I'd be happy to tour you other homes that we have, talk to you more in detail about this one. Again, it's a debut of another brand new plan. Please give me a call at any time. My number is 352-335-4140, and you can also visit us on the website, TommyWilliamsHomes.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.